Okay, microphone check 1 2. What is this? Back with a Codewars exercise. Probably tired of hearing this ish, but yeah, Codewars exercise, unique string characters, Python. Yeah, let's go. And with this one, you're going to be given two strings, A and B, and your task is going to be to return the characters that are not common in the two strings. My interpretation here is that, yeah, it is going to be, you're given two strings, you're returning the characters that are unique across both. So we have XYAB, XZCA, and the ones that are unique across are YBZC. Yeah, and really, this is the symmetric difference. If you're thinking about set notation, symmetric difference in terms of letters. Although for this exercise, you can't really do sets, at least I haven't found the way yet. But yeah, if you guys find a way to do it, feel free to let me know. But I tried to do it with sets and didn't work. I have to probably do some finagling. But anyway, you're getting a symmetric difference basically of the letters. That is what I believe here. Yeah, unique across. So yeah, let's get into it. And note to self, I gotta stop saying yeah all the time, among other things. Okay, so A and B are gonna be the two strings. So I need to find the things that are in A that aren't in B, and the things that are in B that are not in A. And looking at this thing, says notice that you return the characters from the first string concatenated with those from the second string. So you get the uniques from the first string first, then concatenate that with the uniques from the second string. So it must be in a certain order, which prevented me from doing it in the set format, although I'm sure there's a way to do it. I don't want to take the time right now to figure it out, especially since I'm on a video with y'all. I don't want to turn this into a 30-minute video. Keep it short. These are already long enough, right? Okay. I'm going to create a string to put all of my unique letters or characters into. I'll call it a new string. Very inventive. Okay. Then I'm going to loop through I wonder if I even need to do range. I don't think so. I'm going to do a for each loop, actually. Using the not in notation allows you to see if something is not in something else. So it is very convenient in Python that we have this really easy search notation with the in keyword and then using not with it. And very simply, I'm going to determine if this character is not in the string B. And if it's not in there, I want to add it to my new string via concatenation. And then I'm going to do the same thing for B. For letter in B, if LTR are not in A, yeah, two separate, I'm doing two separate loops because you want to capture all from the first, then all from the second. You could intersperse them, but then it would fail the test because they must be in a certain order. I'll just return the new string at the conclusion. That should be that. Test it up. That works. And that works. Impressive, maybe fairly impressive, but Yeah, this one is pretty straightforward, y'all. I'm sure you're seeing that on your end. Yeah, so do it better. There are one-liners you can do. I kind of tried to do it and it kind of got screwed up. Didn't want to take the time to figure it out, so I'm here with this more simpler solution. Yeah. All right, that's it for me. I'm out of here, and I'm gonna see y'all later if you don't see me first.